I've put my beef meat and some onion. I'm going to add my beef seasoning right now and some salt. This has been boiling for about 20 minutes now. I'll go ahead and add my stockfish to it. I've added my stockfish and it has been boiling for quite some time. Then I added my ice fish to it. Now I'll be going in with my dry fish. All your proteins, you can feel free to add them at this time. The only thing you will not be adding at this time now would be your prawn. That is if in any case you are using prawns. Okay, look at this pot of yumminess. I have beef meat, titus fish, that's salmon, dry fish, all your proteins, any protein you want to add, feel free. I'll be adding my dawa dawa now, what Nigerians or Igbos called okwe. This is a game changer in any traditional soup. We call it dawa dawa. I don't know what your tribe calls it, but I know it as dawa dawa. This has boiled down to the size or quantity of soup I would like to make. I'll go in with my fresh pepper, onion and crayfish already grounded. Remember, like I always say, add all these ingredients to your preference. I now added my palm oil, then I'll let this boil down. Palm oil has boiled down for about 10 minutes. I'll go in with more crayfish, more dried smoked mackerel. This is a game changer as well when you're making okra soup. Okra soup loves anything smoky, so if you have smoked turkey, smoked chicken, feel free to go in with any protein of choice. Like I mentioned, this soup is specifically for my kids. They don't like all those other things. I'm using what they enjoy, so anything you see me using here is what I know they like to use. So feel free to use any protein of choice. Okay, anything you like at all, go in with it. Okay, I'll be removing my fish now to avoid breakage. I want the fish whole, you get. So now after taking out my fish, I'll check for taste, balance your salt, your pepper to your preference, then I'll add my okra to it. I'll go in with my okra now. You turn, you stir, check your salt, check your seasoning to your preference. Okay, now this is too thick for me. Like I mentioned earlier, it's for my girls. I'll add some water to it to my preference, and then I'll add my vegetable. Yeah, this okra has been boiling for about 2 minutes now. I've added my frozen ugu leaves and I'll let this boil for about 2 minutes, and your okra soup is ready for consumption. Look at this pot of yumminess. Have you seen the consistency I'm going for? Yeah, feel free to make this to your taste, to your choice. You can make this thicker, you can make this more runny, you can even make it more slimy, but this is what I prefer.